This video will help you to complete the NEA 2 Section D, Making the Final Dishes. Making the Final Dishes Section D is worth 30 marks. This is information taken from the AQA website, and it includes the fact that you need to make 3 dishes within 3 hours. You need to select appropriate equipment for technical skills. You need to apply food safety, including temperature controls, when preparing, cooking and presenting dishes. You need to carry out a range of technical skills such as filleting fish, jointing a chicken, making pastry, and this needs to be done with accuracy. You need to use your time plan throughout the assessment, and you need to include finishing techniques such as garnishing your dishes. And it's really important that photos are included as well. Your assessor will use this marking criteria in order to give you a grade. If you want the top band of marks, 25 to 30 marks, this is what you need to do. So you need to competently carry out a wide range of complex dishes and skills to an excellent standard, such as filleting a fish or cutting vegetables with precision and accuracy, such as julienne. You need to select and use appropriate equipment with precision and accuracy. The 3 final dishes need to show a high level of demand, complexity and challenge. The final 3 dishes include a wide range of finishing techniques such as garnishing and decoration, e.g. piping. And all dishes are accurately presented with attention to detail and finished to an excellent standard. There's also excellent evidence of time management. All 3 dishes produced very successfully within the 3-hour period. The students follow the time plan closely, using the correct sequence with excellent linking and application of food safety principles. Before the practical assessment, students can wash vegetables, line tins, weigh and measure. However, students are not allowed to prepare any ingredients. The expectation is that most of the washing up, etc., will be carried out throughout the practical assessment as recorded on the time plan. Students can make 1 portion of each dish or present full dishes. And there should be photographs with the candidate's name and number, and there also should be a photograph showing all 3 dishes together that again include the candidate's name and number.